Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sekina Tuba, and if this is your first time on this channel, if this is your first time seeing this face, you are most definitely welcome. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about dark spot, hyperpigmentation, and all that, discoloration. And yeah, I know I look very funny. If you guys are wondering what's on my face right now, I have on my face right now my brand exfoliant. This is my scrub. Like I said in my last video, I just started my brand, and it is really good for exfoliating. This is what it looks like. I don't want it to pour, so this is what it looks like. It is a sugar honey scrub. It is kind of silky and jelly, and I really love it because it does the work. What it looks like. It is a sugar and honey scrub that I use. I just exfoliate gently like so, and I leave my exfoliant on my face for 5 minutes to just do it thin, then I wash it off. So if you guys want to purchase this, you can check me out on Sekina's Naturals. So this scrub has been sitting on my face for like 5 minutes now, so I'll probably go wash it off, and then I'll be right back to tell you guys the magic. So now I've gone ahead and I've rinsed the scrub from my face. So normally I usually say this in all my videos, and I usually say it on my Instagram. I do not use towel on my face. I usually air dry my face. I let it dry naturally, but if I'm in a hurry, you can use like a paper towel or something, but most of the time I air dry my face. Today I want to show you guys my magical face masks that I usually use every time when I have spot or I have hyperpigmentation. I'm going to show you guys now. So it is a turmeric mask. I've made these masks before on my channel. If you guys scroll down to my videos, you're going to see I have a turmeric mask on this channel, but this is like a modification of that mask. This works faster than the my first turmeric video. So if you guys want to know the secret to this mask, then keep on watching. So while my skin is drying off, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, like, I mix the mask. So the first thing we're going to need, of course, is our turmeric. So this is turmeric powder. If you guys don't have turmeric in your skincare routine, then you are missing out. Turmeric is very important in your skincare because it helps to get rid of dark spot naturally. The next ingredient is cinnamon, ground cinnamon powder. So cinnamon powder is also very good, and it is also anti-bacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory, also antioxidant. So it is really good. It has been known to clear acne, and it also helps to get rid of acne scars and hyperpigmentation, and helps to reduce blemishes. So now to make our mask, we're going to be taking turmeric. So I'm going to be using this spoon, and I'm going to be taking a full spoon of that. Can you guys see that's like, this is even too much because turmeric can stain your skin, and I don't like the way it stains. So this is what I'm going to be using, a full spoon of this cinnamon powder. So don't worry, I'm using the same spoon. They are both edible, so I can use the same spoon. Both cinnamon and turmeric, they are kitchen spices, so it doesn't matter. So I'm also using a full spoon into our bowl. So this is what we have now. So our next ingredients should not be like new to you. Infamous honey. Like, who doesn't know honey is good on the skin? Who doesn't know? So honey is our next ingredient. Honey is amazing. Like, I can't do without this stuff. So if you guys don't know, in case you haven't heard about honey, which is not possible, honey is an anti-acne ingredient. It is very good. It is antibacterial and antimicrobial, so it helps to bring out the natural glow in your skin. It helps to tighten your pores, therefore prevents dark spot and blackheads and whiteheads, and it brings out that natural smoothness to your skin. So I'm going to be using the bigger spoon for the honey. Yeah, into our mask. I'm going to mix this together. Can you guys see how it's turned into a smooth, silky paste? Oh my god. Like, this is looking so good. I can literally eat this right now. Like, so good. But air is edible. So if you know that this is something that you can eat, then you know that it is not harmful to your skin. For you. Now, our next ingredient is not edible, so when you add this to your mask, do not eat it. So our next ingredient is tea tree essential oil. Oh my god, this is another essential in your skincare. If you don't have this, I don't even know what to say to you. If you don't have this in your skincare routine, especially if you're someone like me, you have sensitive skin, you have oily skin, and you have acne prone skin, like your skin, you get acne every single time, like me. Like I have acne every time. Like I don't just understand my kind of skin. I have acne every time. Like if not that I take care of my skin and I'm always on my skin, like always doing stuff, like my skin will be filled with acne. I have acne every time. You need this in your routine. Like you need this. If I have pimples or blackhead and whitehead, and I just put a little bit of this on my fingertip and just put it on that what's it called, pimples, it dries it up like overnight. This will get rid of your acne overnight. I won't lie to you. If you use it correctly, it gets rid of your acne overnight. So this we're not going to be using much, because if you're using too much, you will destroy your skin. The video on how to use tea tree oil properly, then let me know. So I'm going to be using only 2 drops, because that is really is it pungent? Like it is really it's very effective. So we are mixing that in to our mask. And our last ingredient is actually optional, but I just like to put it in, is my literally any spot serum, any dark spot serum. This is the serum that I'm going to be using. It is the glutathione injection. I use anyone really. I don't use this one in particular. You can use any dark spot serum that you have. It has natural ingredients in it. It has AHAs, it has glycerin, it has vitamin E, cetyl alcohol, and all these ingredients are organic. They are very good and healthy to the skin. So that's why I use this skin. So this is really good in case you are looking to buy a spot removing serum. You should try this out. This is the glutathione injection. It helps to remove blackheads and spots. It contains vitamin E, which helps to treat pigmented skin and also prevent the appearance of dark rashes. So this is really good for your skin in case you're looking to find serum that helps. So I'm just going to be using a little bit of this. Like you guys can see how much it is. Like this much. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's like 5 drops, and it smells so good. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, I didn't know I wasn't filming when I started applying this. I didn't press the play. Go ahead and apply this on your skin. Leave this for 5 minutes on your face. So I usually leave my mask, any mask and whatsoever, I leave it for a minimum of 5 minutes and a maximum of 10 minutes. I do not exceed 10 minutes, because what's the point? So now I've worn this for about 10 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off. And I'm gonna be washing it with my black soap, which is from my brand Sekina's Natural. If you guys want to purchase it, go to my Instagram and hola. My black soap looks like this contains a lot of like healthy ingredients. It contains raw black soap, honey, aloe vera, can you guys see that, natural oils, shea butter, tea tree essential oil, fragrance, and a lot of other things. Contains different herbs, and this is really good. First I'm going to wash this off with water, then after washing it with water, then I'll go ahead and use this. So guys, this is what I was saying. I've gone ahead and I've washed the mask out, and this is what I was saying when I said that the mask is going to leave some yellow hue on your face. You guys can see how yellow my face is right now. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to use my soap to wash it. I'm going to use my black soap, and I'm going to apply that to my face. It goes a long way for this soap, okay? A little goes a long way. I just take a little bit like so, and then I massage it into my skin. Don't let it get in your eye. Okay, can you guys see how yellow the soap has turned? That is the turmeric. I really massage the soap on my face for at most 1 minute. Basically I do 1 minute. Just set the time for 1 minute and wash your face. And I don't use facial brush because I've noticed that facial brushes are too harsh for my skin, so I do not use it because they just like they make my skin too dry and they are just too harsh for my skin. So I use my brush, which is my hand, and I just go in gently, nothing too harsh, nothing too serious. Like, you don't want to be too hard on your skin because this skin is delicate, so it wants to be treated that way. Like, most of the time, the reason why we have breakouts is because we are mishandling our skin, or we are not taking care of our skin. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to go rinse this off, and I'll be right back. So after washing my face, I use a rose water toner to tone my skin, and you guys can see the yellow hue that is still on that cotton bud due to the turmeric that I use. Now I do not skip this step. Vitamin C is very good for your skin. It helps to tighten your pores and it helps to clear dark spots. I love to use this. It is very good. Now this is my luminous oil from my brand. I love to use this oil. This oil is filled with a lot of healthy oils, turmeric oil, jojoba oils, sunflower oils is really good, and I just massage this into my skin and it gives me that natural glow. Then I like to do a 1 minute massage session to my face, and I just do this, it makes me feel really relaxed. And yeah, so yeah, that is basically it for this video. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and be sure to hit the bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a video. Till next time, bye.